Imagine a world where photographs, once confined to flat surfaces, could capture the world in all its three-dimensional glory. Holography, a groundbreaking invention by Hungarian-British physicist Dennis Gabor, made this vision a reality. Gabor's invention, though initially limited by the available light sources, laid the foundation for a revolutionary imaging technique. Holography utilizes the principles of interference and diffraction to record and recreate the wavefronts of light, capturing not just the intensity, but also the phase of light waves. Imagine a hologram, a shimmering, iridescent surface that seems to hold a three-dimensional image within its depths. As you move your head, the perspective shifts, revealing hidden details, creating an uncanny illusion of depth and realism. The development of lasers in the 1960s provided the intense, coherent light source needed to unlock the full potential of holography. Today, holography continues to evolve, finding new applications in fields ranging from security and authentication to entertainment and displays.